Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this Motorola. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this sweater next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!